Kromjari, ISTV ki Manipuri Pawming Tabir Simbu Taram Noksari, Azik Paw Sandong Pijari. Imphal Jiri Lambida Laiba, Yamna Maru Oiba Tongani, Barak Tong Amati, Makru Tongasi, Lagliba, English in Gatama and Fabu Banunda, Sabalo Shingani Haina, Chief Minister and Birangarang, Tongani Asi Sab Honabagi, Urep Yung Tambaki from the Pondokre. Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways ki Sentang Makada, Baratia Infra Private Limited and Sagadol Betongani Asigi, Urep Yung Tambaki Tormatuda, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar, Forest Minister T.S. Shyam Kumar, IFCD Minister Lekpa Hoki, PSCD Minister Losi Diko, MP Bhavananda, Parliamentary Secretary Awangmung Nyuma Yauna, Atai MLA Amadi, Official Kiasu Saruyaki, Chief Minister N. Biren Makatan Haikibda, Lambi Asida Lariba, Irang Tong Asisu, Saranaba Honoragani, Mita Chamagang Kaibari Sangma Barak Tong Amadi, Chama Kunitoi Sangma Makru Tong Asi, Puna Lupakro, Chamagamapan, Lak, Lising Lak Mafudrani Toichang Sagadabani. Lambi asida thong ani asi mapungphana sabalo silaba matungda irang thongsu mapungphana sabalo silabadi Imphal Jiri Lambida thong yadabagi awaba kaya tatra mayongnari basi koklagani hanagi sarkarna thong sanana bathabuk amata pakalam dabasi laibak thibani haiki singi lam chakhoran bai basi paliba lenga asina tawgadaba thabak singi ahan ba khongthangni paikakadoriba thong sabagi thabak asida lamdam asida leiba miyam mapung oina thong asigi akoibada leiba miyamna achobo mateng pangbidrabadi sakar asina thamliba pandamasi yobungam loi Miyam gi amadi lamdamasi ki khallaga thongasi sabada kanaguma amatana ayat apan pibigano amadi miyam na subapung phana mating pangbiu haiki
sigi thongsi yadre si nukti gi adum matang da nung tar ko matang da khabar da hab lai ne badu nung ama yunga lupa ama kairaga RCC police hamda khonaram de ngasi Prime Minister Modi gi sarkar lag matang da Nitil Gadkari na Honorable Minister, Road and Transport, Surface, Waterways, 25,000 crore. Manipuri mana na pumis. Highway punama. Say koi anu udasu ngasai toksiangi. Koi di spot kerba toksiangi. Tamelong area da. Kai pundai tu toksiam. Masih koi notice ki. Tonganu pandama lagi madai deh koi. Masih namna kai pundai tu toksiam je. Half the way at the end of 46 crore program. The government is special in half given it. Kungangi, Tampaki, Kungangi, Manungan, the labor Prajas in Nunga from the Impala Leva Koyaman in a car to another building ceremony Kununga heavy away. Aduna, please support of you, support of Winnie. Home Mrs. Hadul with home say the NICDCL now. That assured that the bridges will be completed within 2 years. Masisi, but without your support, without the support of the locals, without the support of the governments, we should take care of them. We should protect them. I know not to be batay, mating pang be batay.
Corruption asi mikhal gi board khombadagi hore masi muthasi harbadi isagi wakal hana semdoksi haina Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution gi Minister Karam Shyam ngasi Ministry of Textile Government of India gi makhada khoraiba singbu sak khangduna makhoibu lamjing nabagi pandam makhada haskala sayok sivir gi saktak che yenthopagi throm da haikre Manipur Handlooms and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited na sinduna Imphali Kangla Honda pangthokpa thormatu da Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. T Mania Planning Department की Deputy Chairman S. Rajan, Health की Parliamentary Secretary S. Subhasandra, PDA की Chairman K. Robindro, MLA Lukhoi, Amadi S. Dingon Maruwa Bamusing Wayne Sarugyaki, Minister Karam Shyam Namakatan Haikibda, Isana Tabuk Amato Woptarabadi, Madugi Karam Maramda Munna Kamuchangi, Lamdam Asigi Semilon Paganan Bada, Nupi Singi Storba Todang Lay, Lamdam Asidagi Corruption Mutapada Sakar as Katana Ngamloy, Mipung Kudimaki Chorba Data Lay Haki.
Aku saya pindah ke wasak itu ninjang ke Iwari, Xinjiang ngapai na ai sama Honorable Chief Minister Wajib Beren, adu kami na sing RK anan. Aku yang si adi saya pindah di Makongda wasaptana Manipur Prajagi yaipana badawani haitana DRPP da lepuri waridu asisu ninchini adu akoi kau khasi edi matamdu da sakti wasaptu Manipur ki praja da sakpani akoina karimba tumba baba kharat aunana ngi kanda uji kulai adu masi akoi kau khati lupa la kontrani puyang kai changna bol le pe adu prajagi seva tongni chu kayam khasal doino tawbu ngam ga do libra adu bol ka prajagi seva tawbu ngam dragati kamoi chena seva tawbu ngam dragati bol ka ki kari wan ku lai ri akoi ste chaukalan ba akoi ge state ki political system da change ma por pa sti rahan ki tojari ba akoi ka tana imai be adana cooperation bi gati kadi chaukal ko lakani aduna lai ko government chine imai be sin sem thong dom bagana bhona kada amma kada be mateng pangan official sing imai be bi handloom and handicraft ko mari lai kada isa loan bi ra chanda thunda tawraba minister MLA sida chanda thunda tawraba any time lai bi sing da chak complaint hobi
Tongan tongan ba district singdagi khangkalaba khuraiba singda haskala sahayok sibir gi saktak che yentokhi ngasi gi saktak che asina Bharat Sarkar gi makhada piba khudong chaba sing phangbada achobu mateng ama oigani hairi Comrem Student Union Sinduna ngasi Singmerong da leiba Travel Research Institute ki holda Comrem Get Together Come Freshers Bit pangthokre Thor maduda Lok Sabha gi MP Thangso Baite Comrem Union Manipur gi President Larkhomang Serto UCM gi Hanagi President K Langamba Asum gi Speaker Invoice Serto Namathang Sina Chief Guest President Amadi Guest of Honor Oiduna Tongan Tongan Nat ki Oiba Jogoi Isai Thorom Singh Yauna Pangthokre Comrem Student Union ki President L Onex Com na Phongdropada ngasi pangtholiba Thormasi Comrem Mahiroi Singh Amata Oina Punsinna ba Pandam da Pangthokhi Makata na Comrem Student Union na Comrem Mahiroi Singh damak thabak kaya leptana paikhat khigani haina Phongdorkhi
adu hoji ekhoina tawjiriba program se akhoi angang khoi Comrem da leiba zat taruk se aimol ne kom ne chiru ne kharam ne koireng ne purum ne ko moi gi damakta unity oina ba ko ekhoina tawjamni sigi program se chahi khadung tarabni do mathang chahi samuk tawjin akhoi step paikhat ka daw se hoji ekhoi membership hana register taram dabni hoji sugum program tardi membership kya lege have du khangni ko khoi register phane tarani hoji se adudagi ekhoi education se wangkhat ngai torin do
ngasi Singmerong da leibal Adim Jati Shiksha Ashram da Department of Tax amadi Department of Trade Commerce and Industries na sinduna sport registration good and service for proprietors small industries manufacturer haibasida awareness program pangthokre awareness program asida Manipur gi tongan tongan mafam da leiba small industries manufacturers singi proprietors singi saruyaki tha sigi tang taragi nungthil pung mai rom taba matamda mayumdagi thokibdagi thiba khangdana lairakhiba langmaidong lai manaidagi hydrogen ingo chakogba chai nifutare rom suraba miyo ama ngase hiyanglong wamda Imphal Turel dagi sina phangle hari haji pawgi marthana ten brem tanglozari
Changi labor solar padagi producing attaba akchak choktarba tunba chaba yaraktaba khong hama nungayaktaba singidamata amatta ngaraba upaidi jolib syrup amasu jolib capsule wo changi sinabiyo
Chocoba and Diwali sales from Mobile Furniture. Flat 30% off on all furniture items. Hurry, limited stock. Mobile Furniture, Walkatel near Imphal College.
Introducing Tata Nexon. It takes the SUV beyond the next level. We call it Level Next. Tata Nexon. Level Next. Bookings open now.
Lingsin Bidau Hangzaragani Khadims ki exclusive showroom Thobal Bazaar amadi Kaksing Bazaar da lakliba October gi tang 13 da exclusive discounts ka loinana. We welcome you all for the soul of India.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Hirujo Coaching Institute. Admission open for 4-month CBSE comprehensive course for class 9, 4-month CBSE revision course for class 10 and 12. Class commencing from 11th October 2017. Class timing 4:45 to 7:30 p.m. Features probable questions, discussion, previous year's questions, discussion, study materials, worksheets, practice test series, mock test, performance assessment for its students. For details, please contact Hirujo Coaching Institute. Contact number 81310256634.
Iramdam Manipurda, Iramdam Masikidamukta Sajabani, Sangai Teng.
Afaba Makalgi LLDP in a Sajaba, Yansinaba Polam Yaudaba, Sangai Teng, Pangbigani, 200, 300, 500, 750, 1000, 1500, 2000 liters Sanba, Sahitaragi guarantee Galena.
Lismart industry na Putoksaba, Sangai Teng, season abu.
Aigi Tamoina, Achit Hazaba Tamse. Sri Kumar Jewelers. Yumda Sumnai Raka, Kanbanadi Kanarui, Engunda Luna, Tina Kravin, Wakal the Wagano. Lao, I could do Pasarinasi. Miyamgi Apamba design Kudimu, so within a Palagani. Sri Kumar Jewelers.
Break it to the Mayamutaram Sari, Hazimakata Boxing Pizari. Anglo Cookie War Centenary Commemoration Committee Amadi, Celebration Committee in Sindurangasi, Anglo Cookie War Punishinduna. Imi Riders Manipuri Motorcycle Concert Ama, Infal Committee Chairman, Kaimang Chongloina Lamthakre, Thormaduku Marilenana, KSO General Headquarter Gi President, Pautin Lufengna, Anglo Cookie War State Yamnamaru Balam Damasiki Land Amani Haiki.
1917, 1919 has a very unique place in British colonial history. It is very unique in the sense that it was the longest and the most protracted war, military confrontation against British imperialism in defense of our land and in defense of our freedom. The war was fought for almost 3 years. So it is every bit our intention to commemorate this war in the best and biggest possible way. So the Anglo Cookie War 1917-1919 will be commemorated from 2017 and up to 2019.
All Manipur Tribal Union Sinduna Chingmerong the Leba Tribal Research Institute Conference Hall da Manipur ki tongan mafam the Leba Tribal Singi Ningthok Sing Yauna Tribal Singi Leaders Singi Consultative Meeting ama pangthokre. Meeting aduda All Manipur Tribal Union ki President DP Panmai, Vice President Gerald Sumpi, ex-MLA BD Biaring, Retired IS Tongmang Haukip, Senior Advocate R. Daniel, amadi Dr. R. Sangana, panel member on Sargyaki. Pangthok liba consultative meeting asigi matangda All Manipur Tribal Union ki General Secretary Romeo Bungdon na phongdorpada Manipur da Tribal Singi Apex Festival ama Pangthok naba Festival Committee ama Siamduna Bharat Sarkar taksin lagani. Singi Ningthok Singi oiba Protocol Status Thamnaba Hill Area Committee da taksinduna lakpadu athoba matamda thabak to naba taksin lagani. Singi Lam Singi Mapu Singna District Council ki makhada Lam gi pata pi naba amadi lemhauriba Lam Singna Community Village Reserve oina thamna ba khana nenagani haina phongdoki.
Chingdadi MLR LR 1960 du sanaba yadabnina Article 371C duna madu sanaba yaroina thingba leibinina adubo praja singi singmi singi awaba malai habide makoina achinba leiba matamda panthok thamning masu anatraga bengi loan logodo boresu collateral oina moige document pothoga masi pothamam thamjaga paisa loge habido adugi system du yadeva chingdadi maduna madu yanana bakona district council ki makha sida feasibility leiragadi semdoaga pata se masam sa gi lehalaga adugle mauri balla maduna community village lamuna we have to organize my system je kitang silade mayambi socio economically mateng oigedra haina khanjabi koi naina jagani.
Sahi tara tren makha ki FIFA World Cup ta sargu yariba Manipuri sanaroi nipan ki manung da yauriba Maitai Pangal Muhammad Shahjan ki apokpa apokpi amadi mahaki mayamana Shahjan asiguma maming leiraba sanaroi ama oirapa amadi Manipur ki punamioi nipan yaurpada nungai phongdorkli. Mama mapa singna masa singi apamba thabak sing khangna afaba maikai romda chanana ba honan haningi haina makhoi ahumna Delhi da leiba akhoi gi pawmi Roses ta phongdorokli
any community Maitai Khangde, Maitai Bangal, Ikilna Khangde, tribe Khangde, any community Pudimaki, Mafamda, Aina, Hajan, Madudi, Aribamaponi Pal, Ashigumna, Ashidaki Shuhena, Apava, Chanaroi, Ama, Wenakabagi the Manta, Aina, Pumin Tomatari, Chanarishim, Yarship.
Chana, Chana, but the Matoya, Chanarega. Yang di mai berapa, tu mati tahu, Manipan, Manipuri ke mana, tu mama wajib kaya suara orang mana, aku itu sana rusi, karena panjang mana, kan harau, thawaya un harau jai.
Masa wajib singguna mana wajib singguna, ini event dah sana nimba wajib ada kat di mapung hana sana han bio. Haibadi akhoi Muslim community sisu sumba soba India gi manung da sanaba da represent tawba ngamnaba adudagi amana like tamba pame like educational da phajana maram chana chalhan biyo angang sing semba da mama mapa oiba singe asoba thodang lawhan ningi sport line do oiro adagi education gi line do oiro chunba thi mama mapa na guide phajana tawhan janingi
Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur gi makhada leiba mari leinaba institution gi makok thongba official singna mayor singi data semtokadaba ming ani chankhiba enrollment withdraw tawgadaba chingba thabak sing October gi tang 10 faw gi manungda office matam ayuk pung 10 daki nungthil pung mari faw gi manungda mari leinaba singna laknanaba council gi secretary na khangalakli hasilo silapod maru oiba pawam kon pijari Barak thong amadi makru thong English ngani ga tarama pan fawgi manungda sabana silagani haina Chief Minister and Biren phongdokre amadi corruption asi mikhal gi board khomadi ki haure masi muthachi harbadi isagi wakal hana semdoksi haina Minister Karam Shyamna haikre hoji fawgi oinadi ISTV na pijaba Manipuri paw mata asida losinjari miyeng tabiru singbo mukana rumjari